In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a DXF file in AutoCAD. If you've ever received a DXF file and weren't sure how to get it into AutoCAD, this walkthrough will make it simple and repeatable. DXF stands for Drawing Exchange Format, and it's a widely used file type for sharing 2D and 3D drawings across different CAD programs. The good news is that AutoCAD is designed to handle DXF files out of the box, so you won't need any special plugins or conversions. When you install AutoCAD, it typically registers support for DXF on your system. That means in many cases you can just double-click a DXF and it will open straight in AutoCAD. However, if that association isn't set up on your computer, or if you prefer a method that works reliably regardless of settings, here's the quick approach we'll use. First, make sure AutoCAD is open. Give it a moment to load completely so the main drawing window and interface are ready. Starting with AutoCAD already running helps avoid any confusion about which application should handle the file, and it prevents duplicate instances from trying to open at once on slower machines. Next, open the folder on your computer where the DXF file is saved. You can do this with File Explorer or Finder, whatever you normally use to browse files. It helps to resize the windows so you can see both your folder and the AutoCAD window on screen at the same time, but that's optional. Now simply drag the DXF file from its folder and drop it onto the AutoCAD window. Aim for the main drawing area to be safe. AutoCAD will recognize the file and load it automatically. Depending on the size and complexity of the drawing, it may take a moment to appear. That's totally normal for large or detailed files. And that's it. You've opened a DXF in AutoCAD without any extra import steps. From here, you can navigate, edit, or save the drawing just like any other. If you plan to keep working on the file in AutoCAD format, you may want to save a copy as a DWG so your changes are preserved in AutoCAD's native file type. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. If the file doesn't open when dropped, double-check that you actually dropped it onto the drawing canvas and that AutoCAD is fully loaded. Also, if your system prompts you with security or permission messages for files from email or downloads, approve them so AutoCAD can read the file. That's all you need to do to open a DXF file in AutoCAD. Simple, direct, and dependable.